So welcome back guys on the Devops Hub. Today we will see solutions for some errors. So let's start. Guys, in previous video we have installed and used Ubuntu. In this video we will discuss about the errors that may occur while launching Ubuntu for the very first time. So the first one is the requirement to update the kernel. So what we have to do is we just have to copy that URL and we have to visit that URL using any browser, and here we'll get the option to download the latest or updated version of kernel, and it's a very simple process. We just have to open that link and the downloading will be started. You can check also. Okay, so yes, we are almost there. We have to just click on next and it's finish almost. Yes, it's done. See, we have to check on our Ubuntu. Even if we face any other error, we'll see first. Yes, it's showing something WSL register distribution failed with error. This, okay. In this case, what we have to do is we have to open PowerShell. In PowerShell, we just have to set that WSL on a default version. So for that you can use this command which I'll provide you in description, and you just have to copy and paste this command and hit enter. See, the operation is successful. Okay, now again open Ubuntu. Okay, it's installing. We have to wait for a couple of seconds and it will be ready to use. Okay, see, it's done. Now use any username, give password, and you are all set to use the Ubuntu.